And welcome back everybody, and welcome back to Mariposa Mini Routine. I am so excited for a new month, and we are in October, Halloween season. So for Ipsy, which I just got my box today, and I'm excited to open it up with you guys here. For Ipsy, the theme is it's Glam-O-Ween. It's Glam-O-Ween season, which means, you know, Halloween season. Definitely a fun and exciting season that I love, and I enjoy going out with my kids for the Halloween time, like trick-or-treating and all that. And also Halloween is my birthday, so even more exciting. So I really hope you guys are all doing amazing. So now let's get into the fun part, which is the Ipsy Glam bag has 5 deluxe samples, and the Ipsy by Boxycharm has 5 full-size products. So let's get into it and open it up together. And wow, this time it used to be all pink, the envelope. Now it looks similar, like actually not similar, the same as the box. So it's really nice that they put it together. And let's just open this up and see, because it's really exciting too. Ooh, wow, oh my goodness, look how cute, and it's so soft. It's so cute. Let me take out this paper. Wow, look, they really did it up for Halloween, eh? Such a cute little bag. I always admire their Ipsy Glam bags, because they always go out of the way to make them look so beautiful, so nice. Their design, they're always so unique, and they're always nice to have, because you never know. They come in handy, like if you travel or anything. They come perfect. You can fit all your minis in here and just ready to go. So let's see which product I got here first. And first product right here, it is from Bodyography, and this is eye pencil. And I don't know if it says, doesn't say color, but let's see what it is. Let me see how it looks. Its eye pencil is like, yeah, see, it's an eyeliner. So let me see, I think, yeah, it's a black eyeliner, see. So this is a black eyeliner, and definitely always in handy, because you know, you never could have enough, because I think they're always really good to have, right? So now let's go into the next product, and the next product will be here. This is a crystal pink glass lip gloss, and this is from the brand Pink Lips. I think it's Pink Lips. Let's open this up, because I don't want to, you know, be waiting to see how this gorgeous lip gloss looks. Let's swatch it together. I mean, why not, you know? While we're out here, we need to see how this beauty looks, right? Not just on the packaging. Wow, look at that. It really, really has such a beautiful... Let's see. Whoa, you guys see that? It has this gorgeous shimmer, and it looks so nice, and I would love to wear this today. But currently I have lip oil from Janessa Beauty. They really have nice makeup. You guys need to check them out when you do have a chance. And now then, those are the 2 items so far. I got the Ipsy Glam bag. So this is the third item is from La Vido. This is Alert Eye Cream. So this is how it looks. Really nice, because I think it's always nice to have eye creams, especially since, you know, you don't need a lot to wear, right? So just a little bit underneath that area, which we need to take care of. And the next item, which would be my 4th item, this is Anastasia. Ooh, Anastasia mascara. This is, wow, nice, gorgeous one. I definitely have heard of Anastasia mascara, but I never tried it, and I did hear the good stuff, so I'm excited to try that out. And my last item will be this will be the gripping primer from the Beauty Crop. This one I definitely have heard a lot on. Let me, while at it, I'm gonna open it up and, you know, not keep it with a wrap, because this one I'm gonna give this one a try like right away, because I heard it's almost similar like the e.l.f. Primer, the grip one, like, you know, this kind of texture. And this one I heard it's really, really good. I've seen it so much on on TikTok, and I'm excited to give this one a try. So these will be my 5 items, the last samples in my Ipsy Glam bag. So now let's see what we have in the box for the Ipsy by Boxycharm. So this is so cute. I really love it. It's so soft, like so like, oh my god, look at the details. Like, oh my god, I'm so in love with this little cute little bag here. So now let's open up the box and we'll see what we got. Right here, let's open it up. Voila, look. Ooh. See, I didn't even know that because it comes with the paper, like the other when I open the box. And now let's take one by one. But for that, I think I'm gonna leave the box to the side here and then show you guys slowly, right? Let's take out the wrapping. Yeah, because with the paper inside, it's not. Ooh, whoa, hold on! I almost dropped the box. Okay, first item is the Earth Herbal, and this is the Calypso. This is a vitamin C moisturizer exfoliator. Let me see how this looks. Oh, look at that! This is like rejuvenating moisturizer exfoliator, and this is sea berry and CoQ10. I never really heard of this product they had, but I think it doesn't have scent, but it does look interesting. The texture, like the color, right? Looks quite amazing. I think I only tried 2 other products and I love them, so I think this one will be nice to give it a try soon. As it's like, oh yeah, it has like a vitamin C, so I think when it has vitamin C, I'm always there for the skincare. So the next item will be this one. I Am So Pretty, the brand. It says I Am So Pretty, the brand, and this is Universal Happy Stick. So this is like a eyeshadow stick duo. Yes, let's see how she looks. Whoa, look at that. Now that's interesting. Oh, let's watch this. Beautiful. You see, it's like a copper. This is like a nice eyeshadow stick. Yeah, it's only, see, it's a nice beautiful eyeshadow stick, and I don't know if this side comes off. Oh, it does. Okay, now we're talking. So one side is like a pencil, and then one side is like a creamy eyeshadow, like, you know, those creamy eyeshadow, like a liquidy kind. But this definitely looks nice. Oh, and it's so shimmery. I can't wait to give this one a try. Like, maybe I could plan some nice makeup for Halloween with this. This looks so nice. So these are the 2 items I got so far in my Boxycharm box, which is by Ipsy, and this is the 3rd item, and this is from Dermalect. I think it's Dermalect. And this is extra large, yes, XL lash volumizer. This is for the eyelashes, yeah. This is for the eyelash, eyebrows, and booster formula. This is like, it helps to like it gives a strength to the eyebrows and the eyelash. Whoa, look at that. Nice, really interesting. Yeah, this is like a kind of like a serum type, you know. I never really tried from this brand, but recently I've been hearing so much about them that I was like, I hope to try something soon, and so lucky to have received this in my Boxycharm for this month, right? Looks so nice because, yeah, this is supposed to help them grow, be strong and nice. So I'm definitely excited to try this too as well. Really nice stuff I'm getting in the box for this month. So this will be the 4th item, and this is from Tula Skincare, and this is an exfoliating sugar scrub. So let's see. Let me open it up because that's what you want to see, right? This, oh, it says exfoliate, and this is like so pumpkin. So I guess it's basically has pumpkin in it, right? Probably because of the saying. It says get smoother, brighter, and more even looking skin with gentle yet efficient probiotic extracted sugar, and it has with pumpkin spice twist. There we go, it has pumpkin. So yes, perfect for this season because I really love all the pumpkin spice in the coffee and everything. I'm really there. The interesting part is I would love to see if I could. Oh, I'm gonna take this thing out here and I'm gonna smell it. Oh my goodness. This smells amazing. You guys, let me see if I could. Oh. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's like a nice scrub, right? And it smells amazing. I really love this. I think I need to try this tonight. It smells so nice, like pumpkin spice. Oh, this is definitely a must to try. And you guys will love this. If you love all this pumpkin spice stuff, then you need this. So my last item would be this gorgeous face palette, and this is from Ofra, and this is a mini mix face palette. So let's look into. Oh my god, this is definitely gorgeous. This right here, this is the Vice blush. That's such a gorgeous pink. And this is Miami Mix highlighter, and this is the Cafecito bronzer, and this is Dani bronzer, and this is Ocean Drive, and this is the 305 brown blush. So let's take out this cover so I can show you guys more closely the colors. They are stunning, gorgeous. Like, you guys definitely need this face palette, and I'm excited to play with this beautiful palette and do a nice makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoy watching, and I'm definitely so amazed at this beautiful variation that I got for this month. And I think you guys should look forward to getting yourself into this beauty of subscription for Ipsy, because they always amaze you with the best things. They send either skincare, makeup, or even hair care. But you know what, I will leave the details underneath my caption here, so you guys could check it out, the price, and know a little bit more about what it is, like what you will get. Of course, you're not gonna get the same thing as me, but it could be different things. You never know, you might even get this in your box. But yeah, I definitely think you guys should jump into this subscription, because it's always exciting to get each month. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we will be talking soon. And thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and share, and leave a comment if you had the same thing in your box, or if you're planning to signing up, or like if you have any questions, just let me know. And we will be in contact soon. Take care. Bye bye.